Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a YouTube video link starting at a specific time. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So obviously all you'll need to do is go on the video that you're watching or want to watch. Just let this advert play for 1 second. And once you're on the video, you can obviously fast forward it to whatever part you want to share. So say maybe a more popular area. Then all you have to do when you're on a laptop or PC, just right click on the video itself, and it should give you the option to copy video URL at current time. So you just want to click on that. Then you can obviously paste it to wherever you want. And you'll see the link has been added there. If you want to share it on your mobile, it'll come up with this link without this extra bit at the end here. And this is obviously just the time in which the video will start. So all you have to do is put in question mark, then T equals, and then the number of seconds you want to start the video at. And if you press enter, you'll see the video will start at that specific point. So that's how you can share YouTube video clips starting at a specific time. Thanks for watching.